In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the mind map feature in ClickUp. This powerful tool is fantastic for organizing thoughts, projects, or any information you need to visualize in a more structured and interconnected way. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident using this feature to its fullest potential. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the ClickUp website. If you already have an account, click on the login button displayed on the homepage. One of the easiest ways to log in is using your Google account. Click on Sign In with Google, then select the Google account linked to your ClickUp workspace. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the correct one to ensure all your projects and data sync accurately. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your ClickUp homepage. The first step is to select a specific list you want to work with. Lists are an essential part of ClickUp, helping organize tasks according to your project or workflow needs. Choose the list that best aligns with your current priorities. Next, locate the View button associated with your list. Clicking this opens the available options to display your tasks in different ways, including the Mind Map view, which is the focus of this tutorial. Select Mind Map from the sidebar, and you'll immediately see a visual layout of your tasks. This layout shows how tasks relate to each other, providing a clear overview of your project. Within the Mind Map, you can click on individual tasks to explore their details. This view allows you to identify priorities, set deadlines, and ensure everyone on your team is aligned with project goals. One of the great things about this feature is its flexibility. You can rename branches or tasks directly in the mind map to reflect changes or improve clarity. This makes it easy to adapt as your project evolves. By regularly using the mind map, you'll gain a stronger understanding of how different tasks connect and which areas require attention. This visual approach not only helps with planning and organization, but also enhances your ability to manage complex projects efficiently. That's it. You've now successfully navigated the steps to access and use the mind map feature in ClickUp. With consistent use, this tool will become invaluable for visualizing, organizing, and executing your tasks. Explore it further, customize it to your workflow, and take full advantage of what ClickUp has to offer. Thank you for following along today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, happy organizing.